Welcome back and thank you for always watching my videos. My name is Forex4You and today I will guide you on the sign up and verification processes on Forex4You website. I will as well do a live practical on the deposit and withdrawal processes involved on Forex4You website. And just in case you don't know yet, Forex4You is a certified Forex trading platform or broker with over 15 years of experience and over 150 tradable instruments like stocks, indices, etc. So without talking much, let's get to action and let me show you exactly the things I talked about. I strongly recommend you watch this video to the end because I'll be telling you some major benefits of trading with Forex4You. Let's do this. So today I'll be walking you through the process of account creation, verification, deposits and withdrawals on the Forex4You website. So you just get started with the link in my video description. Okay, that's Forex4You's link in the video description. So once you are here, let us refresh it real quick. You just click on open account. So once you click on open account, you just fill in the details correctly. Okay, let me just fill in these details real quick and we'll continue. Just fill in all your details properly. As for the referral code, please just leave it blank. No need of stressing yourself typing referral code. Kindly use the link in my video description here on YouTube. I will as well leave the sign up link at the end of the video. And then click on confirm and continue. So you just put in the SMS code, the verification code, and then you click on confirm and continue. Okay, so you can see user has been successfully created and you've been logged in. So your profile isn't verified. Please verify your profile to take advantage of our services. Just go to your email. Okay, go to your email. Let me go to my email real quick and verify my email address, and also please take note of your client ID. It's very important. Okay, so you just come to your email address. Once you come to your email address, you refresh your email. Okay, just refresh your inbox and you are going to see the email from Forex4You. But just in case you didn't see the email from Forex4You in your inbox, just come down here and then go down to spam. Okay, and then you will see registration complete. So just click on it and then you can see the email. You can then click on verify email. Okay, just click on verify email. So you can see email is successfully confirmed. Okay, we'll continue. So you can click on login again and then log back in and then continue with your verification. So right now what we are going to do is to verify my profile. Okay, click on verify your profile here. You just fill in these details which are not hard. So this is just for your address. So I'll just fill in my address real quick. Are you a politically exposed person? Okay, for me, no. Plan the investment, okay, 50,000 to 100,000. okay. Now for the verification of your accounts, I would love to give you some extra tips that will help you verify your accounts faster. Now for the identity, for the proof identity, the following documents are accepted. 1, passport, that is your international passport. 2, digital national identity card, which is your NIN, okay, and this can be downloaded via the NIMC app on the App Store or the Google Play Store. Please note that screenshots are not allowed on Android phones. Only iPhone users can screenshot. Then the third is voter's card, and 4th, driver's license. Okay, then as for proof of address, you can use number 1, your bank statement. This must clearly state your name and your address. Okay, and again number 2, your national ID card. Paper slip is also acceptable. Okay, and 3 is your utility bill, light bill or water bill, you get what I mean, and this must clearly state your name and address. And 4th, your voter's card. 5th, driver's license. Okay, and please know that it is very important. It is very paramount and important that the front and back side of the document has a clear picture, okay, and must show the 4 edges of the documents. Okay, then click on upload documents. So you just come down and upload the necessary documents, and then proof of address. So after that, just click on confirm and proceed. So you see, thank you, your documents are being processed. Okay, it's done. Okay, so just keep an eye on your email. Okay, so you do what? You click on proceed to account. A lot of people struggle with verification, so I had to do this video so you see how easy it is for you to verify your accounts without having any issues. Okay, so right now what we are going to do is for me to show you how to deposit and withdraw money, how easy it is to deposit and withdraw from Forex4You website. Okay, now if you look at the screen, you see the official Forex4You logo, okay, displayed right here. And I would love to equally state that Forex trading involves some level of risk to your invested capital, and assets may diminish or may be lost totally if you don't know what you are doing. So right now I just click on financial operations. You see that's what an account has already been created for you. Okay, you see it. Okay, so we are depositing right into this account. Okay, so the amount, let me just say $10. If you check this account now, you will see that what we only have few payment options displayed, okay, and that is because we are yet to verify this account. Okay, we are yet to verify this account. That is why, okay, we've submitted the documents, so we're waiting for verification, and that is why we can see just very few deposit options. So instead of using this, I'm going to log into my main account, because I'm creating this for someone. I'm going to log into my main account that I already verified and show you how you can take advantage of multiple or several deposit and withdrawal options and make the most from Forex4You. Okay, this is my main account for this Forex4You. Okay, you can see that this account has the blue tick. Okay, it has the blue tick telling you that what I'm verified here. You can as well from here see your messages. If you have any messages, you can click it and check your inbox, the message you got. You've been sent by Forex4You. Okay, so right now let us go directly into the deposit and withdrawal options. Okay, so I'll click on financial operations and I'll select my account that I want to deposit into, and then put the amount, 10 USD. Okay, this online banking. Okay, that's for bank transfers. Okay, you see payment systems, WMG, Skrill, Neteller, Perfect Money, ADV Cash, AstroPay. Okay, you can even deposit via cryptocurrency. Okay, anyone you want. Click on online banking, so I confirm and then I click on add funds. So if you check it, you see that you are paying $549.421. Okay, so now I click on confirm and proceed, and you are available to trade instantly. Okay, you see, available to trade instantly after depositing. So you can either use P2C, okay, or USSD code, okay, or you can use e-wallet. Okay, this e-wallet, you see Paga, Pay Attitude. Okay, for me I would love to use USSD. Okay, and then I select Stanbic IBTC Bank, which is my bank. Pay with Stanbic IBTC. Okay, you can see that the code has been created already for me. So they ask you for your PIN. Just put in your mobile app PIN, not your ATM PIN, mobile app PIN. Okay, so you just follow the on-screen instructions when you are doing this. I say I've completed the payments, and then click on payment is complete once you get debited. Okay, you can see transaction has been successfully processed. Okay, so I click on back to dashboard. So if you look at my account now, you see that I have what, $10 in here. Okay, $10, 10 USD in here. Okay, and that is how instant it can be, how fast it can be to deposit money on Forex4You. Before I continue, I would love to show you some major benefits of trading with Forex4You. Firstly, deposits and withdrawals are instant. Secondly, there are over 150 tradable instruments on Forex4You website. Next, you can take advantage of the copy trading feature on Forex4You and copy the trades of professionals on Forex4You and make money just the way they make money too. And again, the customer support is 24/7. Trades or other execution are also instant. I mean from 0.1 seconds. All these and many more advantages are what you gain by trading with Forex4You. Okay, so right now the next thing I'm going to do is what? To show you how to withdraw money too on this platform. Okay, if I click on financial operations again, or if I come here and click on withdraw, you can either come here and click on withdraw, or you can still come here and click on financial operations. Okay, either of them. You can see withdrawal, so select the right account, trading account. You see online banking, you see withdraw $10. Okay, select how you want to withdraw, whether it's online banking or payment systems or cryptocurrencies. Anyone, once you select, just put the amount here and you withdraw. So but I won't be withdrawing this for now. I want to leave it in here. You can still see my money up here. Okay, so that is just how easy it is for you to sign up, verify your account, deposit and withdraw money on Forex4You website. And remember, you can do this on either the website or the app. Okay, so right now I strongly recommend that you sign up on Forex4You website using the link displayed on my screen right now. That's Waterfred1 link. Okay, so sign up on Forex4You website and take advantage of amazing opportunities for you to make money through forex trading. I'll also leave this link in the video description, so you can either copy from the screen or just go directly to the video description here on YouTube and you find the link just there and you can sign up. Okay, if you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you did not enjoy this one, smash dislike twice and tell me why in the comment section. And please share my videos on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and other social media platforms, so other people too can gain true value from the videos that I share online. I would strongly recommend that you sign up on Forex4You and trade with them, as you're going to reap amazing benefits. And then before I end this video, I would also love to state that forex trading involves significant risk to your invested capital. An asset may diminish in value or may be lost completely if you do not understand the markets or know what you are doing. Thanks once more for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next one. Peace.